To create a Venmo-like service in Nigeria, you will need to follow these steps. First, understand the concept of a peer-to-peer payment system, which allows users to send and receive money directly from their mobile devices. Venmo is a popular example of this type of service in the United States, but it is not available in Nigeria. To replicate this service in Nigeria, you will need to develop a mobile application that can facilitate transactions between users. This will require a team of experienced developers who are familiar with mobile app development and payment processing systems. Next, you will need to obtain the necessary licenses and approvals from the Central Bank of Nigeria to operate a payment system in the country. This will involve registering your company and obtaining a payment service provider license. You will also need to partner with banks and other financial institutions to facilitate transactions and provide users with a range of payment options. This may include integrating your application with existing payment systems such as bank transfers, credit cards, and debit cards. In addition to developing the application and obtaining the necessary licenses, you will need to implement robust security measures to protect user data and prevent fraud. This may include using encryption, two-factor authentication, and other security protocols to ensure that transactions are secure. To make your service user-friendly, you will need to design an intuitive interface that allows users to easily send and receive money. This may include features such as a user dashboard, transaction history, and customer support. Finally, you will need to test and launch your application, which will involve conducting thorough testing to ensure that the application is working correctly and providing a smooth user experience. You will also need to develop a marketing strategy to promote your service and attract users. By following these steps, you can create a Venmo-like service in Nigeria that provides users with a convenient and secure way to send and receive money. This type of service has the potential to revolutionize the way people make payments in Nigeria and provide a range of benefits, including increased financial inclusion and reduced transaction costs.